Guys, welcome back. Today we are going to do an English inspired paver walk, sidewalk. Today we're going to get started on this project. It's been one of my big DIY. We're going to dig our hands into that dirt and we're going to take a nap. I think we're going to take a nap and eat. Doesn't that sound good? Hi, if you're new here, I'm Rita Slanina. I'm an actress and author, and we like to do some lifestyle videos as well. So hang around and enjoy the day with us. What is he doing? Like he doesn't want to go home. Just keeps pulling on it.
Drop it. Hey. Knock it off. Drop.
So initially the plan here was just to sort of cover up all this dirt, either turn it into greenery, add in, I don't know, faux grass, something. We just weren't sure what we're going to do here. So we started grabbing a few pavers here and there, and the English-inspired backyard inspo was born. Something that I want to do is take this walk all the way down and around and out to the other side of that side gate. I think it'll just really class it up, make it look super cute and really nice. Bruno, why do you always pull from the bottom of the pile? Ew, what is that? Oh, was that a pig ear from like 3 million years ago? Okay, now that we've got some new pavers purchased, let's get down to business. Good morning, everybody. It's the laundry going in the back down there. It's cool enough out. So it's going to get really hot today. So I need to get outside and get moving. So we've been soaking these bean seeds overnight. So we're going to plant these. And then we're going to get working on this patio block again today. updated sidewalk. Bruno, what are you doing? Crazy dog. Alright, still got some more to do. What are you doing? What do you want? Hello, Bruno. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Are you gonna help me? Are you gonna help do the yard? What are you doing? Hi. But we are making some headway. I love how this is turning out. It is a little bit tedious and monotonous getting these things down, but it feels so worth it. The next phase of this is this patio area. Oh, I guess I caught a mouse. But that's how real life happens, right? Here's the next phase of these pavers on the other side of one part of the yard. Oh gosh, I can't talk today. I want to get this patio in. My husband wants to put a nice, cute little outdoor kitchen type of situation over here to my left, your right, behind this tree. This tree will be gone though. That will be leveled to some degree and turned into a table. And we're gonna get like a really nice marble tabletop. At least in my head, this is how I think it's gonna go. Who knows? We shall see. So now it was on to this patio that the outdoor kitchen that we have planned will go. This was a lot of heavy lifting. The 24 by 24 inch cement pavers are quite heavy, and I had to implore Hub's help because at some point they do just get too heavy if I move more than a few at a time. So there's also the added caution that goes along with a paver this size, because you don't want them to break. And if you drop them down as opposed to setting them down, which obviously is a lot harder because you have to set them down slowly, yeah, they can snap, break in half or in pieces.